Good morning guys, today I am back with another video. Today my video will be how to clean fabric seats. This particular video is helpful those who are having fabric seats in a car. The fabric seats are normally factory fitted seats, and also the cars those who are not having any art leather or leather seats, this type of do it yourself job is very helpful, as due to use your seat fabric becomes sticky and very dirty. So this particular step and very inexpensive method will help you to clean your seats like new. So let's start the project. As you can see, this is the original fabric color of the seats, or if you see the other seats, this particular fabric has become totally soiled. It has become black due to sweat, dust. In fact, the original color is no more visible. So we'll clean this particular seats, and like this you can clean all your fabric seats in this method. So for this I will be using a household cleaner, that is, you can use any car shampoo also, but I will here use a easy fabric cleaner which is pH neutral and doesn't affect your fabric. I have taken half a mug of water, less than half liter, and in this I have used 2 pouches. Now I will lather and create foam. Now I will use this particular foam to clean that particular surface. Apply a toothbrush. It is very dirty. In fact, stubborn it has become. Maybe that person haven't cleaned these seats for the last 8 years, as the car is 8 years old. It's a bit laborious job and it will take time. You may have to try it once or twice. Stubborn dirt, you may need repeated application, but it's working well. Now let us wipe out the dirt. Try to absorb as much water you can. Look at the dirt, it's coming up. Use a good microfiber towel so that it absorbs all the dirt. I may need to do it once again. Don't give any water in it, as the seats will get wet and it will be difficult in drying up, and also it will create a bad smell inside. Now allow it to dry. Once it dries up, you will get back to see the original color has got restored. It's better you do in a dry day when there is enough sunlight, as it will help to dry up fast. Early morning is preferable, and then allow it to dry in sun. Now I will apply some plain water, squeeze thoroughly in a microfiber cloth so that I can remove any residue of soap remaining. You see, already the seats are looking clean and bright, and once it dries up it will come back to its original color. So I will do this procedure to all the seats and allow it to dry for at least 10 to 12 hours. Other seat also, same process, and after I complete it I will show you the result. So I have completed this seat also. Same process. You see, all the dirt has been removed, and once it dries up it will get back to its original color. Finally the job is over and the seats have dried up. I kept windows open and there was sufficient sunlight today, and the entire seat has dried, and you can see all this particular checkered design is visible now. It was absolutely invisible few days back. You see the other seat also, the other seat also. So the job has been successful. Let's check the back seat also. All the seats are absolutely clean. So in this way you can easily clean your fabric seats, and this can be done effectively at a very cheap cost with a very good quality household detergent that I have used. I have used Easy here. So if you have liked this video, please do subscribe my channel for more videos like this, and if you have any comments regarding this process, please do comment in the comment section below, and please do subscribe. Thank you very much and goodbye.